your screen. Initiate it.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a prompt.
Huh?
This is a prompt you have given.
Yeah, the prompt, the
Okay.
role, the
Mm-hmm.
task.
Okay. Now let's start with the prompt first. Okay. So in the first paragraph, right? Tell me what is structure? How did you structure this?
Put the role here as a,
Okay. Good.
and I put the ChatGPT's task,
Good.
and the context. I'm pretty sure was part of the task. So,
Mm-hmm. Good.
and the format, it's like right here.
Great. Good. Now, did you understand this?
Yes.
Okay. Was that better before than before?
What do you mean?
In a sense, you mentioned it was actually difficult for you to understand this, right? System of equations.
Yes.
Now, did you understand this after this response? So, what is that? What ChatGPT gave right now? Did you able to understand it?
Yes.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, did you take the quiz?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your score?
My score, I got all of them right.
Okay. Good. 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 Mm-hmm. Taken score. Okay. Just scroll down to the end. To the last. Yeah. Okay. The way. Okay. Now just ask. Okay. Result. I think there is some result mentioning. Is that the result?
Result, what for?
Okay. Just a second. Okay. Ask ChatGPT. What is my score?
Oh, quiz. Mhm.
Quiz feedback. Yeah. Click on that on the
Huh?
left. I think that's opened in the canvas, right? So
Yeah.
you have only taken two questions, is it?
Wait, how do I go out of the canvas first?
That's 100%. Is that right?
Yeah.
So was that two questions you took or
No.
more?
So, sorry.
Okay. It's closed. You should have, yes. No, yeah, close this. Now you should see. Mhm.
Actually, there were
You've taken more, right?
no.
If
Hmm?
there are two questions you've asked, correct?
Yeah.
So the answer was for two questions. So the report is 200% right now, correct?
Yeah.
Good, right. So what did you learn in this process? One, you tried first communicating with AI, how to ask the right questions, right? How to ask the chat GPT that you can get best out of it. For example, the topic of system equations, right? You can ask in the form of story, you can ask in the form of poem or anything. Okay. Second, you also learned to ask, not just give me answers, but take quiz for you to better understand it. right? So
Yeah.
these are two aspects how what you learned, right? Next, let's dive into learning more in ChatGPT. Okay, what you have in just GPT. Okay, so there's so many things you can do in GPT. Okay, just can you close this study right now? Open a new chat. Click on new chat. Okay,
Should I
now
delete this or?
that's fine. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. That's fine. Let the chat be. Okay. Now, do you like the PhD level research? The research. Do you want, let's say, a project report? Do you like to have it in form of like a PhD research level report?
What?
Have you seen any PhD reports? Let's say research paper. It might be of any topic. Have you tried looking to it? How does a PhD report look like? Uh, a person who's doing a higher grad, right? They do actually write research papers about a topic.
Yeah, I've heard of it. But
So what do they do is it takes a whole lot of work to actually research about a topic and give you a relevant response. In the sense, they understand at the granular level about the topic and gives an output. They research a lot, they understand, they dissect, they start from a hypothesis, they'll do a lot of other things. Okay, that thing ChatGPT can do you get you done in minutes, simplifying with just a text prompt. Let's try that out. Okay, click
okay.
on plus. Okay, can you see that deep research? Yes, click on that. Okay, now let's try a topic about uh let's say how, okay, how type out how artificial intelligence will change uh, gaming industry. Let's take that. Industry. Good. Enter. Now see the magic. It trying to ask you, are you looking for any changes in the game design? Could you clarify me specific aspect you're interested in? How AI can change the gaming industry? Let's take just copy that impact. Just take anyone which you like. Let's say use of AI in gaming testing and moderation, or business models and okay, yeah, take that. Copy and paste it in the chat. Yes. Next. Hmm. Now see, it has started researching. Okay, it looks through the whole internet for you and comes up with a report. It will show what it does. It does take some time because it takes a lot of time, a lot of things to do it. It does take some time. We shall get back to that again. Okay. Meanwhile, click on GPTs.
GPT is here.
Have you tried this before?
No.
Okay, click on that. It's pure magic. What this is, let's say you have ChatGPT as a whole. Okay, ChatGPT can do anything and everything, but you want to become a maths teacher, you want it to become a science teacher, you want it to act as a gaming engineer, something else, right? So what
Mhm.
you can do here is you can niche down the GPTs into specific things. For example, you can see, just scroll down now. Yeah. Can you see those? Astrologer GPT, Scholar GPT, Humanize AI,
Yeah.
Fitness AI. So all these, what they've done is they've niched down to specific use cases. Now, in order to give you this, I mentioned, right, the prompt, you have just niched down one layer of it. If you want specific answer, you have to again niche down another layer with huge amount of data. Because you remember yesterday I mentioned it's been actually trained only with data, right?
Yeah.
So if you want something, right, for example, let's take search for maths tutor.
On what? Search GPTs?
Yeah, search GPTs.
Ah. tutor.
Yeah, check. Yeah, you got whole lot of math tutors being actually built and niche down. Click on second one. Let's see. You have 10K followers. Okay, guide students. Yeah, just close this once. I think they have a better option. Oh, okay. First one. Yeah, I see 50K plus. Okay, so check first. What are the capabilities it has? It can write code, understand data. It can browse. It can create images. Okay, scroll down. These are ratings. Blah blah blah. Start. Click on start chat.
Start chat.
Yeah.
Sure.
Now, see, this only answers for your maths questions because it's a specialized agent. You can call it an agent actually made to help you in maths. Okay. Now you ask any question, for example, system equations. Help me understand. You don't have to write roll everything. It's been already been prompted from the back end. All you have to ask is help me understand system equations or explain the concept of system equations. Sure. GPT-5 has become so slow, man. They have to downgrade to GPT-4. So recently, if you see, they have actually brought a new model, which is GPT-5. Okay, it's a
Yeah.
new version, right? So they are getting a lot of backlash right now. Sam Altman is getting like screwed for it. Okay, see, let's start with the big picture. Okay, now they're trying to explain system of equation, linear systems. Scroll down. See how to solve that. Ways to solve substitution, elimination, metrics, what to look for. So this actually answers like a math tutor to you, right?
Yeah.
So this is a specialized only for it. If you ask something in English, it doesn't give you responses for it. Okay. If you want someone else as an expert, you have to go to GPT, search for the best GPT for it, and get it. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's try other GPTs. Just go to GPTs. Okay. Just scroll down. What would you like to try?
Hmm. Art, maybe.
Hmm? Yeah, search whatever you want to do. That second one, art designer, is that? Okay. Click on start chat. So, okay, now type in what kind of art you want. Let's say they have options. An aerial view of eagle flying over a river or generate images. Or do you have anything in your mind you want to create? Let's see. I think it might be a bit complicated for it to understand that, sketch out that city with a,
Mm.
is it?
Huh?
Is that correct?
Yeah, just it is missing. Just
You had your breakfast,
yeah.
lunch,
No, not yet.
What did you have for your breakfast?
With
Appam.
yeah,
Oh, nice. Where are you from? From India. You're from India, right? I mean,
yeah,
roots. So where are you from?
Kerala.
Oh, nice. How long you been in US?
I
You're born and brought up there.
hmm?
You're born there.
Yeah, born in New Jersey.
Ah, acha.
My
Nice.
my parents.
Like you like India?
Yeah.
Wanna come to India sometime?
Hmm?
Wanna come to India sometime?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. I think it just okay. Click on that AI gaming industry.
Huh?
Click
Yeah.
on AI. Yes, click on that. The report is ready. Okay. Just scroll to the top. Okay. Now this is a research paper. What a PhD guy does is what we have actually got. Okay. And end-to-end research. Imagine the sources. Can you see the sources there?
Sources.
Everywhere. Yes. Sources. That is where it actually getting that information from. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down from see. So it scraped the whole internet for you, understood it, and gave you an report so that for this topic, this is how a deep research would look like. And this matches at least a PhD guy who does it. And it will take weeks for them to do. You're getting it in seconds and minutes for any topic you can think of. If you have any project, right, you can do that with us. You can get a project report done with this. Have to be specific about what you need and what time of research you want. All these things you have to specify it better, and you can get a project clean report done. Okay,
Yeah.
just scroll to the bottom. Yeah, click on sources. uh,
Resources.
yes. Yeah, can you see how many citations you have? 25 sources. Click on
What?
activity.
Click on activity.
Activity, yes. Now let's go through this one by one. See how these models are structured, no, Jacob. How they think is they're actually mimicking how a person or a PhD level guy does. Okay. Now the activity shows you how it actually done step by step. Okay. It started by drafting a report how AI revolutionized the topic, searched for that topic, and noting relevance articles. It started scraping relevant articles and classified it, and it read that website, it read that website, it gathered, it went again, it went to Nvidia, it read again, searched, came back, right? Imagine for a human how much time would it take to do all these things, to
A lot.
understand
Yeah.
all these 25 sources and give you such report. How much time would that take for you,
A long time.
right? And it can do that in seconds for you. And it also gives you where it actually took that response from and how it's been going. Isn't that crazy? And
Yes.
how fast, right? So for any report, for any research you want to do, right, any topic you want to learn very deeply, you can use this deep research. It just scrapes a lot for you and gives you a very relevant information. Okay. Now let's dive into one more aspect into this. Just close this. Okay. Just check that image once, drawing of Billemid. I think it's still going on. Refresh the page. That just happens sometime. Hmm. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
That was a prompt. It's actually given. Okay. I'll tell you what Midjourney is. Okay. Midjourney is a tool which creates high quality images. Yesterday, remember I showed you one video from Google, right? Similarly, Midjourney creates high quality video. ChatGPT also does right now. So this is being generated from that using ChatGPT's prompt. See, you've just given that prompt to sketch Bellemere, New Jersey, right? See,
Yeah.
just redefine that prompt. A hand-drawn pencil sketch of Bellemere, new wide farmland with, right? So it redefined it and it understood better and to give you a better prompt. So you don't have to do or write a lot of things. It actually understood kind of in your intent. But if it is actually not that accurate, you can tell it, okay, this is how I wanted it. I think this is wrong. Did you want it this in a different way,
Mm,
or you want to try something else?
maybe not the farm kind of thing.
Farmland, small. No, what kind of sketch were you looking for?
Like a drawing kind of sketch, like the ones like a kid would make, or
Okay. So, you know what we missed out here then? We missed out explaining it how we want, right? So that's why it couldn't able to understand your need. Now, let's reprompt it properly to get the best results. Okay. Let's use chat GPTs by default. Click on new chat. Click on new chat. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's create an image how you exactly want. Just you can type it like. Now let's define a role. What is a role who is will be best to create this image? Yeah, act as a artist. Good. And what else? Task. Good. Mhm. Can you give context for this?
is
And
this
let's add more in terms of how what kind of sketch do you need? Do you need, let's say, a house on a farmland, or what kind of sketch are you looking for? House. Do you have a river in your city, or how? So, are you visualizing anything as a sketch? What kind of sketch do you want?
it looks like a neighborhood with
Hmm. Neighborhood?
this bunch of trees
Hmm. See
and
outside your home. Try if you want to recreate your house itself.
a road,
Okay.
and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I've added context. Now it's a sketch. Okay, I think you don't have format for this and you don't have example for this, right? Create, hit enter,
Huh?
enter, and send. Yes. See, they built that in such a way that GPT understands. You don't have to select create an image, but it does understand because in that prompt you mentioned create a drawing, right? So it understands you have to create a drawing. It starts creating it. Hmm. Refresh the page once. No, I think it's not working. Can you copy that prompt and send it in a new chat? Yeah, create a new chat.
Oh,
I
no.
think, yeah, yes. Not sure it's actually taking so much time. Okay, check the drawing of Bilamid. The another chat you have. Yeah. Oh, it started again. Huh? Okay, second image. Hmm. Is that good?
Yeah,
Oh, it's, hmm. Kind of.
kind of.
Kind of. Okay. I think it's just generating going on, right? So right stop. Okay, you have stop button. Just stop that out. Yeah.
Huh?
You have stop. No, not there on the right. Yeah, you see mic option next to
Yeah.
it. Click on that. Yeah. Click. Not
Not right.
working. Hmm. Let's see. Wait. I think it's already been started generating. That's why it's not stopping, I guess.
Oh,
Let's check this out. Ah, it stopped. Kids drawing. Open kids drawing. It does show like that. I think you have to open the chat, open like this to generate because chat you're in is what it generates. So this is one. Okay. Now you can also create videos using Sora. Can you see that Sora on the left corner? Don't click, just check. Is that, can you see that? Sora?
yeah, I see.
We shall explore that as well as we go along. It does, you can create good videos through it. Yesterday we used VO, that is Sora. This is OpenAI's model. Okay.
Yes.
Today we'll just play around with it so that you'll get used to it. Okay. Tomorrow I'll start walking you through the back end of it. Okay. And we shall do one cool stuff today where where you can actually work with AI through your screen. Right? Have you ever thought that I can share my screen to AI and I can speak to it and ask, okay, what is this? What is this? What is this on the screen?
Yes.
Can I do it? We shall do that today.
Okay. Oh,
Just open a new tab. I think let this speak. Let this create. Just open a new tab and search for Google AI Studio. I think I can't see your screen, Jacob. It's
hold on.
still on ChatGPT screen. Yeah. Search for Google AI Studio. AI Studio.
AI Studio.
Not this one. Go back.
Can't access this server.
Can you just share your screen?
Can't access this service.
Share your screen. I'll see what is there. Okay. Looks like you can't access service. You're 13 years old. Oh, you're not giving the consent. I think yours has it. Okay. Let me share my screen. I'll show you what you can do. You can access with your parents' account as well. Because since it is development version, let me show you that how it is just
Should I stop sharing my screen? Or
I'll share my screen. I'll show you what you can do actually. It's super cool. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Just a second. Search for Google AI Studio. Okay. This is the backend of Gemini. Okay. They give out few experimentations, all you can do here. So there is something called stream. Okay. Now, can you see this share your screen?
Yes.
We can't share my screen. I'm not sure if this works. Hey Gemini,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
what can you see on my screen now?
A video. I see a video. There's a text. Type.
Okay. Can you see Jacob on the screen? Say hi to Jacob. Great. How can you help me, Gemini? What are things you can do for me? Okay. See, now Jacob, what I'll do, I'll open a new tab and I'll walk through. Can you hear me, right?
Yes, I can hear you.
So what I'll do, I'll just open a new tab and let's say let's type any topic of let's open Wikipedia. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll just open Wikipedia and let me try some topic. Let's say English articles. Okay, let's say pyramids. Okay, this is a pyramid. Okay. Now I need GPT to help me out with this. Okay. What I'll do. Hey Gemini, can you hear me? Yeah, what can you see on my screen today?
Okay, man. Me or Jim?
Can do you see my Wikipedia screen?
Yes.
I think since this is right, one second. Just reshare it after this. Since I'm doing these two, I'm just trying to share. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen now?
Mm,
See it, Jacob?
yeah, I see it.
So what is this? Or can you just summarize this for me?
Who, me?
Jacob, I'm trying to talk to Gemini, right? So
Uh,
just see what are the things we can do. Okay, what I've done right now is I've shared my screen with Gemini, right?
uh,
So can you hear Gemini's voice?
no.
No, you can't hear, is it? Can you hear Gemini's voice?
No.
Okay, let me reshare this to you one second.
I couldn't hear Gemini's voice. Sorry.
Now, can you hear Gemini's voice?
Mm,
Can you?
no.
Since I'm sharing my screen, Okay, I'll just give you a brief what you can do, right? Can you see, hey Gemini, what can you help for me? It actually analyze my screen. Okay, for example,
Oh,
check this out. It analyzed the whole screen. Where am I? And when I asked the question, right, I've asked what is on the screen, how it can help me. It just analyze and start giving me real time answers. Okay.
wow.
Do you have another account with you other than this Google account? We can try out in that.
I have a school account, but not sure it's gonna let me do it.
Check once. Because Google few accounts it does give and it doesn't give. That's why.
Hmm.
Could you? Uh, can't access is it
Nope.
for workspace? Okay, it's for workspace, not accessible. Hmm. Do you have any parents your account, Google account in your system right today? Parents or someone?
Um. Yeah. Let me try.
Hmm. Yeah, just check.
Oh, I have to sign in again. I don't know exactly what my
Okay,
dad's.
that's fine. That's completely fine. Tomorrow, just get that your parents or something account so that you'll get access. You can. I'll walk you through inside of it. Okay. I
Okay.
think some accounts it automatically blocks. We don't have feasibility to it. That we shall do. Right now, share your screen.
Yeah. Uh, okay.
Share your screen. I'll share your link right away. Okay. Just open that.
Okay.
Okay. So, since you're a student, you can get access to whole Gemini thing for free for 1 year. Okay. Tomorrow, sign up to this, and I think you have to just submit your ID to this. Just do that. So you can create videos, text. We shall do tomorrow. So after this session, it ends on August 6th. Just take this. It's for in INR. It costs like 19,500. I think it is so expensive. They're giving out for free only for students. Okay, just avail this after this session. Okay, great. Now just go to ChatGPT. See how what's happening there.
Oh, hold on.
Not now.
Oh, there
No.
it is.
He drawed a sketch,
Mm-hmm.
kind of a crayon sketch. Did you mention sketch?
Well, I did say drawing.
Draw it. Oh, that's why it drawed. Okay. Now let's correct it out, right? So it has actually given a wrong output, correct? Now you have
Yeah.
to tell it, I need this kind of an output. Let's type it. Okay. What kind of an output do you need? Do you want oil painting? Do you want let's say crayon sketch? Or what do you exactly need?
A marker sketch, maybe.
Yeah, Marcus. I need a Marcus sketch. Make it more realistic.
Okay.
More realistic. Yes, let's try this. Okay. It does take some time. What I'll do, I'll just walk you through a lot of other things. Okay, today and let's niche down each one by one. For example, let's create a game today. Okay, then from tomorrow we shall start digging deep down how it's being created, what other things we can do upon that. Okay, let it create. Meanwhile, open a new window, open Gemini.
Gemini.
Yes, Gemini, open new window. Let this be working. We shall come back to it until it generates. Shall come back to it. Yes.
This one.
Search for Gemini. No, no, just search for Gemini.
Oh, this one. AI
One
mode.
in Jacob. Yes. No, not this is AI mode. Let me give you the URL once. Just like how ChatGPT is, this is Google's thing. Okay. Now share your screen. Okay. Click on no thanks. Okay. Oh, just log in. Use Gemini. Use Gemini.
What?
No.
Sorry.
Use. Okay.
You Gemini.
Can you click on the three lines on the left? Sometime. Okay, you have access. Great. Now let's create a game. Let's create a car game. Okay. Type create a simple car game.
Card.
Which
Card.
car car
Create a simple.
simple car game without any bugs and issues. Without any bugs. Okay.
Box.
BUGS. Sense without any issues. Okay. Click
Oh,
on canvas. Click on canvas. Canvas since it can create code for you. Okay. Now, before entering, I'll show you what Gemini is. Okay. Gemini is Google's thing. What you just saw on ChatGPT, this is actually powered by Google. Okay. This is Google's product. On top, can you see this 2.5 flash?
yeah.
Yeah, click on that. Okay, so you have 2.5 flash, and you can, as you go along, they will also give you 2.5 pro, which is advanced model to it. Okay, now just send this, create a simple car game to it. Click on enter. Okay, now we are using a base model right now. Let's see what it comes back with. Here you can actually visualize your curriculum, any topic you can think of. For example, any topic you struggle to understand and visualize. Any topic, give me any school topic. Let's try to generate that in 3D today.
Um. Photosynthesis. Maybe.
Okay, photosynthesis. Let's create photosynthesis in 3D.
Sure.
Good. Let's do this after this. Let it generate. Okay. Card order.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh.
I figure out how to play it now.
Just a second. It's still okay. It generated. Can you click on that box?
Yeah. What about it?
I'll tell you what it has actually done. Can you click on the code? Code
Oh,
first. Code, yes. It wrote you code entirely. Okay. Can you just scroll? Just go scroll, 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 scroll. See how much code it has actually wrote for you to create that game. Right. This the language is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It has actually written code, and if you can click preview, yeah, it created, but it's not working, right? Let's ask ChatGPT, Gemini to fix it. Ask Gemini, the game is not working. Can you help me fix it? Isn't working. Help me fix it. Yeah. Yes. Now What it does, it goes, analyzes the whole code and gives you, refines the code and corrects it.
Okay.
You see? Can you play it? Click.
Mm-hmm.
Buttons aren't working.
Buttons aren't working.
Aren't working. Okay. Let's ask Gemini now. The buttons aren't working. Can you fix it? Fix it. Yes. It is trying to fix. Error. Okay. Now it encountered a error. Click on fix error. So it automatically understands, okay, there is an error. I have to fix this. Right?
Something went
Uh,
wrong.
Fix error, yes. Okay, close this. Check. No, it's not generating. Uh, See, this is how you ask it. You're trying to fix it. Okay, there will be issues. You just have to ask it. Okay, this is not working. This is not working. Right? It wrote you the whole code, and you can generate a lot of things, Jacob, with this huge amount of simulation you can do. I'm just showing a very basic example, right? We shall do a lot more as we go along in the sessions. Hmm?
No. No.
Okay. Yes. Restart. Is it working?
Yep.
Hmm. Good. Ah, okay. See, we can create such that we just added simple games, right? You can
Yeah.
create a lot more such things. Okay. Now let's create a simulation for your topic, which you just mentioned, photosynthesis. Uh, you click on new chat. Yeah. One second. Click. Oh, okay. I think the game went off. Just type,
Sorry.
type, just type hi. That's fine. That's fine. Just type hi. That activity is turned off. Let's turn that activity. Hi. Just type something. Enter. Yeah, just a second. Click on new chat now. Yeah. Click on Gemini apps activity. Yes. Since it is new account, click on that.
Hmm?
Can you? I can't see. What does it say?
Gemini app activity, not to an activity with
If you have any consent, just click on agree. If that's an consent.
a consent. Where is it?
I can't see your screen. I mean that pop up. Okay. Yes. Safer. Yes. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Click on manage. We'll make sure you really okay. Cancel. Since it's below 13, I think that's why it's asking. Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine. That's fine. Just go back. Just go back to the chat.
New
Okay.
chat or
Cancel. Okay, click on cancel. Okay, let's create. Let's take topic from your subject. No, what can we do? In what can we create in 3D? A study topic from you.
A model of photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Okay, of sunflower.
Yeah.
Okay, now write. Create me a create. Yeah. Okay, write the prompt with the structure. Jacob. Act as a hmm,
Hold on.
okay. Type 3D working model.
3D work.
Working model. Yeah.
This is
Type in.
good.
Okay. Type in also full stop. I don't want any errors. The output should be good at the first time.
And, uh,
Should be good first time. Yeah. Just okay. Hit enter. Let's click on canvas. Yes. Yeah. Or else it doesn't create code if you don't create. Click on canvas. Okay. Now hit enter. You know what is the uh, difficult part in this AI journey? What will be the difficult part to in this whole AI thing?
I don't know.
Just sit and wait. To wait to things happen is actually is a difficult part now. Okay, just fix error. Yes. So click on code. See the code. You understood code. You understand code, right? See, do you
Yeah.
know? See, it's writing React for you. Okay, made some changes. Preview. Now, quick fix error. You understand React
Yes.
completely?
Preview. Oh.
No. Okay. Let me try that from my end.
Oh my God.
Can you see my screen?
Uh. Yeah.
Okay. So this is how the Google account is. Okay. I mentioned right as you go along. If you have this another account, actual Google account with your parents or something, you'll get two models. Okay, it's just restrictive because of your age. Get that tomorrow. Okay. Now let's try this out. Canvas. Uh, act as a teacher, helping and creator for working functional model of photosynthesis, sunflower photosynthesis, right?
Yeah. You also spelled functional wrong.
Right?
Yeah.
So I'm taking an advanced model now. Let's check. See what it does. This is the hardest part. Now, can you see this show thinking? It understood how does the photosynthesis work. It's just showing how that model thinks before you if actually generating it. See, it generated code for you. It understood what it is. Then it's giving you responses. See, it's writing code for you. Can you see the
Yeah.
Can you write this fast? Can you try writing this
No.
fast?
No, I can't write this fast.
But you can actually utilize this, right, to do this. For example, like tomorrow, if your friends ask, "Hey, I can't able to understand this, man. Can you help me with this?" Okay, see, adjust the sliders.
Where?
This is got wrong, correct? This isn't working. Let's see. This isn't working. Let me fix it. Trying to fix it. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll show you few examples what we can actually do. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah. See this? These are actually chemistry concepts. What I've tried regenerating in 3D,
Wow.
right? So you can create such amazing things in 3D. And let me show you others. I need to ask. Okay. It does take time. Okay, this is one. And let me okay,
Mm-hmm.
adjust the sliders. Let me see what it's actually. Correct the water source. Okay. Uh, and see this sliders. Let me show you few examples. Just give me a second. What we can actually do. Do you know Rutherford's experiment?
Huh?
Rutherford's experiment.
No.
Hmm? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see a screen.
Just I'll share it one for something else.
Mm.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
You know what is this?
No.
Okay. So this is an experiment what Rutherford did. Okay. What it means is these are actually gold foils. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Gold. These are gold foils. You know the concept of electron, proton, and neutron,
Yeah. They make up
right?
atoms.
in atoms, right? These are actually atoms. Okay. So what Rutherford did, he sent protons are plus, electrons are minus. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So what he does, he sent an alpha particle source. Okay. Now, what it deflected was, can you see these things going out of the box?
Yes.
Yeah. So what it actually deflected was, it is directly hitting the protons, because plus into plus, it repels, right? Like charges repel. That is what happening. And lot of things are passing towards it. So that's when he concluded that there is lot of space inside the atom, and proton is actually, and the nucleus is actually in the center of the atom, right? This animation I've created using Gemini. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we can create such animations for your topic, whatever the topic you want, right? We can create such amazing animations. We can visualize it and we can create such. Okay. Now let's try. Let's take one task for today, which is you have to go to Gemini. Okay. Take the, as I mentioned, take the account of the parents or something. Just sign into it and access Gemini, the URL which I sent. Gemini, right? This again, I'll just send you again. Okay. So this is the URL. Okay. Go to this URL and click on new chat. Okay. In here, click on canvas, and I want you to visualize. Okay, I want you to create one small game, any game you want to. You just created a car game, right?
Yeah.
I want to create any another game similar to it, something which you want to play, like a helicopter game, or a chopper game, or a small Prince of Persia game, which should actually work. A very minimal game. Okay, that is one. Second, I want you to create a topic, just like photosynthesis. Okay, similar to that, any topic you want to visualize. Let's say, how does a light passes through a lens? How does some any other topic you can think of? Okay, so take that topic and I want you to visualize it. Works?
Yeah.
Okay. So first thing, going to Gemini and pasting it and getting the two outputs. One with uh, creating a small game, and second, what is the second one?
A topic for like,
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
That's it. So task, let's write it down. We'll get all the meeting notes in the document I shared, right? I'll give access to jacobmuller@gmail.com. So the recording will take like around 2-3 hours. Today's recording will get it tomorrow morning, but you can access yesterday's recording already, and today's meeting notes you'll get access to it. Okay. The task is one, create a game. Second, create a 3D simulation of, I'll just write topic. Pick any topic from any subject, which is actually hard for you to understand. Okay. This is today's task. Can you do it?
Yeah.
And speak to it until it actually fixes and gives you. If it doesn't give, just go back, create a new chat, and start speaking to it again. Start creating it. Okay. It does make errors, it does get, but I've shown you what kind of output we can actually get, right?
Mm-hmm.
So try it out entirely. If you have any issues, just reach me out anytime. Happy to help. And tomorrow we shall walk through that and fix those errors if you have, and create more such stuff. Okay. And think about what else do you want to create? What kind of games you want to create? What kind of topics you want to visualize? What kind of 3D models you want to create? Okay, can you do that? Think
Yeah.
about what are the things you want to do. We shall do that on call tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
sure. Great. I shall share that out to you. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
great. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.